Hey guys, Lev here from Agilite. This is the K0SF. This is no holds barred, the ultimate low profile plate carrier for SF operators. We've worked very closely with our US and Israeli SF partners who have been in some of the most intense and historic missions in modern history. And then once October 7th kicked off, obviously testing went through the roof in Gaza, in Lebanon, in Syria, in Iran. So what we've done here is we've taken all the features you guys are adding to the K0 and we've taken the features you guys wish the K0 had and we've combined them all into one. And that's how this plate carrier comes. There's a high level of responsibility that comes with designing combat gear. It's not a hobby, it's not something to play around with. And here with the K0SF, we put in a lot of work into getting it perfectly right for you. And we've literally fought and slept in these plate carriers and improved the gear more and more. That's what we do. That's what we do here. The ultimate goal was to design the best plate carrier that we could make because we know that this is the gear that our loved ones are literally going to war with. This is built to be the plate carrier for the next generation of special operators. Whether you're buying this for a unit or buying it for yourself, it's one size, it's plug and play, it's modular, and it comes with everything you need to set up your plate carrier straight out of the box. Now let's dive deeper. Let's talk about the Cummerbund. So we found that most of our users were just going ahead and buying the Warfighter Cummerbund because they really want the stiffness for internally mounting radios, other pouches, side armor. And so we decided that instead of selling everyone a soft Cummerbund, that most people would then have to upgrade to the bigger one, we would just make a micro Warfighter Cummerbund, but we wanted to have the same adjustability that you get on a K0 1.0 Cummerbund. So what we did over here is we created a patented adjustment system very similar to what you have on the Sub-Zero, where you have double adjustment. This can slide in and out like that, and then obviously the whole Velcro tab can go in and out. So you have a massive range of adjustment, and along with the one-size-fits-all plate bag, it's just super easy to procure. Over here, you have the stretch built in, which is super important. You have that obviously on every one of our Cummerbunds, and that gives you just that little bit of flexibility, comfort, ability to breathe while you're wearing it. So just like on the Magnetics Battle Belt, you have endless MOLLE. As you adjust it, you open up more and more MOLLE, so you can always attach all the pouches you want all the way around. Put this adjustment system in the back over here so that you can't lock it out by MOLLEing on large pouches and stuff over here. It's gonna be back over here where you can have that flexibility and it won't be affected by anything. You can attach any Velcro Cummerbund you want over here, whether it's a Warfighter, whether it's the elastic Cummerbund that we offer with the Sub-Zero and sell separately. And what's really important also is that you can see over here, just that basic angle of the Cummerbund is that it's offset downwards. And what that means is that when you attach it down to the bottom, you're pinning the Cummerbund at the bottom of the plate carrier, and then it attaches higher up on this side. And that's just what helps give it that perfect angle on the body. So let me just show that. When this Cummerbund is straight, the rear plate is higher than the front plate. Over here in the front, you have that same patented attachment method that we have on the K0, on the Warfighter Cummerbund. So this lets you attach the QDs that come with it. So unlike the 1.0, this comes with 2 QDs right out of the box, and it comes with 1 shoulder QD. After months of use and testing, we've chosen these Duraflex buckles for the side QDs and for the shoulder QDs. They're super durable. They hold up really well, very intuitive to use, easy to attach. Now, we have something new over here that we kind of took from the Reaper rig. So you can see on this side it's attached with Velcro, but you don't actually need that. What you can do, you can directly attach in over here through this curved piece, just like you do on a Reaper rig. And then you don't have this extra layer. That means you can directly attach in and still use all the MOLLE over here if you're mounting MOLLE pouches instead. And you don't have to worry about working around that Velcro flap, and you don't have the extra space from this. That means you just need to have a QD on one side and then you can get in and out of it. So if you want to do a similar setup to that Navy SEAL setup that we showed in one of our videos, where you mount from here across to here in AG3 or something like that, that's really doable here now. And that's just a nice feature. It lets you get rid of some extra material that you don't need. So along with the structured one-size-fits-all Cummerbund, we have a one-size-fits-all plate bag, which makes it more modular, more adaptable. It's gonna take whatever you throw into it. Modularity is key here. If you're left-handed, you can just swap everything out to the other side. It's fully modular, fully symmetrical. More importantly than having a plate carrier that's perfect for a specific mission, they wanna have a plate carrier that is perfect for all missions. When you're fighting in the middle of summer, when you're fighting in the desert, heat is absolutely critical. And we've learned a lot along the way about how to combat heat, especially with the development of the Reaper rig and the Sub-Zero. The K19 and the K0 were our kind of golden standard for comfort, and we knew that no matter what we remove from here, we cannot be less comfortable in either of those two. And that was kind of our benchmark and the main challenge here. So we removed where we could. We kept padding where we believe it is necessary. So what we have over here is a minimized padding on the inside, only where you need it, to make it even better at heat release than 3D mesh. So you have a smoother surface that reflects the heat a little bit better, dries off much faster, doesn't stay sweaty, doesn't soak up the sweat. Ventilation down the middle that just helps dump heat. And you only have padding where you really need it, which is gonna be around the harsh edges, corners of the plates, and along your back muscles and not on your spine. Over here in the front, same thing. You have obviously the extended padding going down the front, which helps with the load distribution and the adjustment and makes it super comfortable over here in the front. Because you have that adjustment with the adjustment numbering system, it's super easy to get it symmetrical, which is critical for having it comfortable on your body. Let's talk about the front. We have a minimalist zippered admin pocket over here at the top, and we have full molly over here, just like in the K19. So that if you're not running a full triple shingle, you can put on individual pouches. You can have whatever setup you want, because as you'll see in a moment, you can run this extremely slick if you want. So if you just want to mount a single rifle mag and a walkie-talkie or something on the front, you can do that. The privilege of being able to make a 2.0 version of the K0 1.0, which is such a battle-tested and innovative plate carrier, is that battle testing and that innovation, all those features on the K0 1.0 are just your starting point to keep designing, keep moving upwards with the 2.0 with the SF. Let's talk about these shoulder straps over here. We heard you. We understand that shoulder padding isn't for everyone. Some people want to run it slick, and obviously the Sub-Zero is a super minimalist plate carrier. We decided to take the shoulder pads of the K0 1.0, make them removable, wrap them around the shoulder strap of the Sub-Zero, so you really have the best of both worlds. Same comfort level as the K0 1.0. You have a super comfortable multi-padded shoulder strap over here that has this kind of stiff core of the Sub-Zero shoulder pads that's gonna mold itself to your body and distribute that load really nicely. And it comes already installed on the straps. And because it's removable, you can now slide it back and forth, get it exactly where you want, really just fine tune even more this plate carrier that's already super adjustable. So that wraps on there, and then you still have all your cable management solutions that you can wire in through the sides. And if you're not using this, you can just Velcro them in between these straps. So this padding is even better than the 1.0 because it's adjustable, because you can slide it back and forth. With the shoulder pads attached, you still have all the benefits of the classic K0 1.0 shoulder strap. So you have that connection point that gives you really good shouldering. You have a thin area right where you need that buttstock of the rifle. So when it comes to removing it, dead simple. All you do is open up these flaps, and then you're gonna open this up as if you were adjusting the height, and then you can just simply slide it all the way off. You're left with a super minimalist shoulder strap, just like on the Sub-Zero, and you're good to go. So this means you can take this plate carrier as a kind of a maximized warfighting version, and then you can make kind of your own version of a Sub-Zero with it, where you have the minimalist elastic modular cummerbund, the thin down shoulder straps, no shoulder QD, and this is something that's much more low profile and set up for more covert or just lower profile operations. Unlike the K0 1.0, we now have a QD solution. Comes standard with a single shoulder QD that you can move to either side. This works by just detaching the plate bag completely, and this you slide onto here. This one Velcros into the shoulder system, and it makes a really foolproof method for connecting a shoulder QD. This still utilizes the same numbered system over here for height adjustment and lets you just click in and click out. So this is perfect for maritime use. You can put on 2 of these shoulder QDs and then be able to remove both shoulders if your unit requires that. You could do 4 QDs all around, or what most of us prefer to do when we're running shoulder QDs, which is to do 2 QDs here and 1 shoulder QD. So you can remove, and just flip the whole thing up and over the shoulder for a medic to, start sticking his fingers in your bullet holes or whatever. So we created a one-size-fits-all plate bag that fits SAPI medium, SAPI large, and 10 by 12, while still keeping a slim profile for any one of these plate carrier sizes. So that's also huge. If you have plates, you don't know what plates they are. If you are issued plates in a department and you don't know what plates are going to be issued, if you want to have the ability to swap between plates, or if you just start out with SAPI small, start out with whatever plate you're planning on upgrading down the road, you don't want to limit your options. Let's show you how that works. We've heard your feedback. We've added a strap back in. There's now an internal strap just like on the K19. I think it does it a little bit better than on the K19. And then over here you have a little bit of stretch in the corner. When you're putting it in with a large one, you just unfold this flap, comes down a little bit farther. The elastic ensures that when you put in a SAPI plate or any plate that's longer, the corners aren't going to be exposed over there, and you're still going to have protection on the soft edges of your plate. So super versatile, super secure, Just really clever solution. Gal really knocked it out of the box with this one. Spinning it around, let's take a look at that booty. So over here we have the drag handle, the classic drag handle. We heard you, we added it back. There's a lot of parts to this. Let's look at what this looks like out of the package. We believe that a plate carrier needs to come ready to go outside of the box. We don't believe in having to wait for an Instagram drop to buy the missing piece to put your plate carrier together. This comes with everything you need right outside of the box. It's about convenience, it's about modularity, and it's about providing a full combat toolkit to the warfighter and to the operator who's gonna be trusting his life to this. When you receive the K0SF, here's what you're getting. You're getting both of the plate bags over here already connected together with a shoulder QD installed. Obviously you can remove this if you want to slicker shoulders on both sides. You can move it to another shoulder. It's installed just so you understand immediately how it is. Over here you have the two micro warfighter cummerbunds over here ready to be installed in the cummerbund. You have over here double QDs this comes with. So again, this comes with two QDs and it comes with a Velcro flap. Again, you don't necessarily need the Velcro flap if you're running the QDs, and you can direct attach in, but in case you want to have full MOLLE all the way around, what you can do is you can direct attach in on one side and Velcro flap on the other side, and then placard over it, and then you'll have full pouches all the way. It also comes over here with the cable management kit. For anyone who's unfamiliar with the cable management kit that comes with the K0 1.0, we have this piece of one wrap that can lock into the sides over here through there on any of those 4 attachment points or just through a piece of MOLLE. This guy over here, this handy dandy strap that attaches through the shoulders, whether you're running it all the way through the shoulder pads, or if you're without the shoulder pads and you're just going under the Velcro, it'll still work. And then you can just have that strap. Of course, you also have these two right over here. This one is just a nice little fella that you can wire through over here and Velcro into your sandwich and have just a little elastic loop if you need it. And this one is great for the hose of your hydration tube. You can use it in 2 ways. One, you can just run it over the end of the hose and just Velcro it on every time and then take it off when you want to use the hose. Or you can actually run it up and through one of these pieces of MOLLE and then put your hose through and then lock it down around your hose to really tighten it down and keep the end pinned. So super versatile, comes with a lot out of the box. Comes with 3 QDs, Velcro flap, cable management kit, structured warfighter-esque cummerbunds, structured micro warfighter cummerbunds, drag handle, everything. A lot of bang for your buck. For all your procurement guys out there, this is a dream. The Berry compliant version is proudly manufactured in Agilite, USA. This is available through TLS, GSA, and any other government purchasing vehicle. So we kept everything that we love in the K0, but we updated it, and here are the key changes. So running through them, removable shoulder straps, the option to throw in a QD over here. You have the front zip admin pocket, the ability to connect in a cummerbund without using Velcro over here. We put MOLLE back in the front. Comes with 2 side QDs and 1 shoulder QD. In the back, it has a built-in drag handle. The cummerbund, completely different. We have the micro warfighter cummerbund, whole different inside with a different ventilation system, more minimalist padding just in the critical areas, and then more ventilation down the middle. So in the same way that the global war on terror refined the plate carriers and tactical gear of its time, the last 2 or 3 years, 2023 to 2025, has put our plate carriers into some of the most intense conflicts of the modern era. With the K0SF, what you get is a plate carrier that is defined by war and by conflict, by modern combat SF experience. For anyone looking to bring lessons learned from the modern battlefield into their personal kit and outfit themselves with the absolute pinnacle of modern plate carrier technology. I think at the end of the day, really want to thank the people who trust their lives to our gear. This wouldn't be possible without the T&E program, without the valuable suggestions and testing feedback you guys gave. Everyone in the T&E program who helped out with the testing, with the refinement, with the development of this plate carrier should be proud, because this, the K0SF, is the pinnacle of modern plate carrier design. Can't wait to see how you guys set up your K0SFs. Go check it out now, get yours today. Love you guys, stay safe.